Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual lab using Oracle VirtualBox and Kali Linux for cybersecurity experiments. We'll walk through the process step by step, from installing VirtualBox to setting up a Kali Linux as a virtual machine. By the end, you'll have a safe environment to practice penetration testing techniques and enhance your cybersecurity skills. Let's get started. Preparing a virtual lab is easy. In the description below, you'll find links to download the necessary tools and operating systems for free. First, we're going to install Oracle VirtualBox, a platform that allows you to create multiple virtual computers on your Windows OS without affecting your main system. Simply choose your install file for your specific operating system from the provided links and download the executable file. Once downloaded, double-click to start the installation process. Now your VirtualBox is ready to go. Next, click the second link in the description to download the Kali Linux virtual machine. Once the download is complete, unzip the file and keep it ready. Similarly, click on the third link to download the ColdBox virtual machine. With all the downloads finished, let us proceed to install the virtual machines. Open Oracle VirtualBox, click Add and create a new virtual machine. Give it a name like Kali. Select the type as Linux and choose Debian 11 Bullseye as the version. Set the RAM size as 4 GB and the processor to 2 CPUs. Finally, select Use Existing Virtual Hard Disk. Click on the file icon and add the Kali Linux file that you downloaded earlier. Your Kali Linux machine is now ready. Setting up a ColdBox is just as simple. Locate the ColdBox OVA file in your download folder, right-click and choose Open with Oracle VirtualBox. Your machine is now ready. I hope this video is helpful in setting up your virtual lab environment for penetration testing. Be sure to follow us for more tips and tricks. Thank you.